Well, this clock we have here is a New Haven kitchen clock, gingerbread clock, they call these. This one particular model is called Camden, and it dates to about 1907. Anyway, a couple things wanted to show you about this clock. First of all, the door won't quite stay open. You're just going to kind of push this around here because I wanted to go ahead and get it to chime for us. So it only chimes 9 times, but the hands are at 11, right? So this particular clock, what we have in here is we have a little wire that you can see right there. And what that wire does is it attaches to a lever that controls the chimes. This is so that if this ever gets out of sync, which can happen if the clock runs down, this is the winder for the strike side, and this is the winder for the time side, and you have to wind them both. But sometimes if the clock runs down, which it did in this case, the chimes will be out of sync and they won't match up. So here's what we can do. And since it chimes a certain number of times at the top of the hour and once at the bottom of the hour, we're going to have to move this 2 times. So if we lift up this lever, okay, that's once, that's the half-hour chime. So now we're going to lift this lever again, and all I'm doing is I'm just going in here and I'm just lifting it up. Okay, so that's 10 times, so we're going to do it 2 more times. We're going to lift this up so that the chimes will be in sync with the time up here. So here we go. Okay, there we go. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and wind this clock up, since we've used a bunch of the chime mainspring over here on this side. This particular clock winds to the center, so that means, let's see if I can do this while you're watching. So this winds to the right. Okay, that wasn't very much. This one, time side, winds to the left, and actually it's wound up all the way too. So there we go. It's all synced up. And there's our New Haven gingerbread clock, kitchen clock.